Hello friends, welcome to Data Learners. Today we are going to write a Python program to check prime numbers. So we have to first define the function with the def. Now the name the function prime variable number if number is greater than one because prime number is one is not a prime number. Prime number is always greater than one. So I choose from if number modulus I is equal to 0. The remainder is 0. Sorry, uh, number modulus by I. That means the number is divided by the I, the ratio of I from 2 to the number, your number, then print number is number. This is not a prime number. Else print number is prime. Else. Run this cell. Now first define variable. Its number is 7. Let's check for 7. 7 is a prime number or not. Seven is a prime number. We have to break that statement. Break is check well. It is not a prime number. This is how we can write a program to check a prime number. To like, share, and subscribe my channel. If you have any query, if you want to need to write another program like how to find a factorial using Python, how to check for even and odd, then you can mention it in a comment. Thank you.